Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be going over our ceiling and our roof. So, like we did in the shed, we're going to be doing our ceiling first, then we'll go ahead and put that roof on. We're going to be doing a gable roof. We're going to keep it nice and simple. Don't want to do a hip or anything like that, just going to do a gable. So, first things first, we got to get our ceiling in. So, here on my 3D view, I'm going to go to my first floor. So you can see I got my tags and everything. This is my demo video, demo house. We go to ceiling. Now, I already have my 2x8 wood rafter. We're going to have to copy this. So, for our starting point, we want to do our GWB, so our gypsum wallboard on metal stud. I'm going to select that. I'm going to go to Edit Type here on the left. Now, I'm going to hit Duplicate. So, I'm going to do the GWB on 2x8 wood rafters. Now, I'm going to put demo behind it just because this is a demo video. You do not have to, and click OK. Next thing, if I hit preview, I just have my metal stud and my beam. So I'm going to go edit. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to keep my finish for my gypsum wallboard. I'm going to then change my metal stud to lumber. So I'm going to click these dots here. I'll show it again. I'm going to click these three little dots. I'm going to type in lumber, and what we're looking for is dimensional lumber right here. Perfect. Hit OK. Now, this is a 2x8 rafter, so there's our numbers here for thickness have to add up to 8 inches. So we're going to keep our gypsum board, we're going to keep that 3/4, and we're going to change our wood to then 7 1/4 to then fill in that 8 inches. And then I'm going to click OK. I'm going to click OK again. So now we have our preset. I'm going to go sketch ceiling. What I'm going to do is you can do a rectangle. So in my case, or you can do pick walls. So let's see if pick walls works. Actually, no, let's not do pick walls. I'll just discard this real quick. Go back to ceiling, go sketch. I'm going to do rectangle. So make sure you have your detail on medium or fine. I'll have mine at fine. I'm going to do outside edge, go opposite corner, outside edge. There we go. Now remember, we do have to move this in. So I'm going to move it in to about here to the 3rd level again. So just move it on all 4 sides. Let's go opposite corner. Bring this in, and hit OK. Let us zoom out, go to 3rd floor, and there we go. So it's not sitting on the siding, but it is sitting in on our studs, which is good. Now, our roof. We're going to go to roof. I don't want to do it on the ceiling, so I'm going to hit cancel here. I want to go to my first floor plan. I'm going to go to roof. Now, for my roof, I'm going to change this to wood rafter 10-inch asphalt shingles. I'm going to do this now for this time, do pick walls. So in your kind of drawing menu up here, I'm going to go to pick walls. It's the kind of bottom one with the green. What I need to do and uncheck first, so you might have to do this multiple times if you forget this step. I'm going to see under define slopes over here above the type of roof we have. I'm going to uncheck that. Now I'm going to click on my walls, my 4 walls. I'm going to click them and go exterior. I want a 1 foot overhang. Good. Now I'm going to hit escape. So I'm still in the menu for the roof, but I just hit escape a few times. Now when I click on my wall, on my roof here, I want to click define slopes on the longest edges. So if you have a very square box, you can pick, but for rectangles, you want to go the longest edges. If you have maybe like an L or something like that for a house, you still want to do the longest edges, and I can help you in class for that. But if you click on your wall, you can then now turn define slopes back on. And then over here on this side as well, we can hit define slopes. And what we want for our slope, I believe we're going to have to change this 9x12 to then go to a 5x12. But for this video, we'll keep this and then we'll correct it in class. So keep it as a 9x12. We might have to change it, but just keep it a 9x12 for now. We can hit finish, We do not want to attach walls. Don't do that later. Or don't do that now. We'll do it later. Go to 3D. Oh, so what we forgot to do is to put our base constraint on our roof. So our base constraint for the roof's going to be our ceiling. And there we go. There's our roof. There's our ceiling. There's our roof right there. So again, we might have to change this angle. I think we're going to have to change the 5x12, but I'll tell you in class. And as well, we want to make sure we select all of our walls. So if we select all 4 walls right here, we want to hit attach, so that's top, and we want to click our roof. And then there we go. So we have all of our walls touching our roof there. This is what we're looking for. And to go, we can go to our section view. Let's bring this up a little bit. Oh, so this is the wrong side. I'd have to change my section view so I can actually get, I'd change this view to the side here, my north and south, so I can actually get that roof slope. But if you can see your roof and you can see your ceiling, then that's good. We'll be editing these levels, so don't worry about that. We'll do all that in class. But for this video, we just wanted to do our ceiling and our roof. So hopefully this helped.